To create a LeadProof, first go to the form section and open the form that you want to use with your LeadProof pop-ups. You're going to open the form up, you go to Share, copy the embed code, and then open up your web page builder. Here you see WordPress as an example, and then add the form code snippet so that your page has the form embedded and can be seen to web visitors. Then also align the form on the page just that it fits your design. So expand it or make any adjustments to height and width, and then save the page. Go back into LeadGen, and now let's look at the LeadProof setup. Go to LeadProofs in the sidebar and click on Add New Proof. Give your LeadProof a title and then add a description text. The description text can be seen by your web visitors on the proof pop-up itself. So give it a relevant name, for example, just signed up or just got the BMI score. Choose the form variant and the question that is going to be used as the variable that's going to be shown in the pop-up. You need either a short text window or first name. Then you're going to copy the LeadProof embed code and paste it somewhere in your page using a code or HTML snippet. And then you're going to save that page. And now you have installed the LeadProof snippet. You can go back and make edits to it, but now let's see if it works. Here, when you have to refresh the page, and then in the bottom left you see the LeadProof showing up. You need some leads submitted for that. This form already had some visitors submitting the form, and now we see if it has worked for the lead we just submitted. And there it is. So the most recent lead shows up first each time on page load. And that's how you can set up LeadProof pop-ups in LeadGen.